Hey guys, welcome back to Girls Beauty. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how you can style your Saree Pallu in different ways. So before jumping into the video, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel and also the bell notification next to it is pressed. So without much ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first style is going to be a narrow pallu. As you can see, this pallu is throughout narrow, width didn't change, and to accentuate your waist, use a belt and you are ready to rock. This looks really elegant and effortless. So in the second look, I'm wearing the same narrow pallu as a dupatta around my neck. So this is perfect if you want to show off your blouse. And I used my belt just to add some glitters to the top. It looks amazing. So what do you guys think of this look? So the next way of wearing pallu is very casual, I must say. This style is perfect if you're wearing a tube top or a halter neck. This looks very stylish and traditional. So in the next style, I'm going to wrap around the pallu around my neck. So this one is very modern way of wearing pallu, and I must admit I have only seen models wearing it like this, and I would wear saree this way if it is a plain or a printed saree, but print is like block print or something. I think it looks very stylish. Last but not the least, in this one I'm going to pull pallu from underneath. This is a perfect way to highlight your beautiful blouses which has embroidery, sequin or any other work on it. So in case instead of highlighting your blouse you want to show off your saree pallu, then this is the perfect style for you. And no one will come to know where the pallu is coming from. Found this video useful? Then please hit the like button, share your feedback in the comment section below. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Found this video useful? Then please hit the like button, share your feedback in the comment section below, and also do me a favor, do let me know which one is your favorite style out of these in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon next to it to receive the future video notifications. And on that beautiful, happy and energetic note, I see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep smiling and take it easy. Bye!